Regatta nga para makita tanan-tanan. And mula na napabalo ko sa tanan ang dira nga dalan nga lugar kinanglan waay na sa mga individuals nga arada kundi officials lang.
Thank you very much kay Sir Manny. Ginatawag naton, gina-request ang tanan nga mga timonel palihog kadto diri sa atubang sang stage para sa final briefing. Again, ang mga timonel palihog kadto diri sa stage para sa final briefing. Gina-request naman ang atong...
Well, if you've seen yesterday's video, day one, Saturday, you can sure see the difference in people here in the crowd. They're still doing the ceremonies up at the Grand Stadium there. And I'm going to pan around the beach and let you see how many people are here. My goodness, this is really a big event. People of all ages enjoying this regatta. We have our, looks like our SWAT team. Special Forces, Special Ops. Everybody's ready to get going. There's the catamaran, got the, it's laying all the way over there. Got a pretty good wind here. It's going to be an exciting race. I see some Coast Guard boats running in the background offshore. I saw about 6 of them earlier. All right, when you come to Iloilo Beach, come down to the Paraw Regatta, you don't have to worry about your safety here in Iloilo. We got the finest here, look like about M16s. Now they're talking about my channel. They know who I am. But these guys will take good care of you. We had some Australians back out. We had 25 Australians back out because they feared for their safety. So, do you fear for your safety? Do you trust a guy with a smile like that? Of course you do. Salamat, thank you. Okay, they just sent off the crews, it looks like. The crews are coming from the stand over here, and so they're all heading to their boats. There's the crews down there, so they're all getting ready for the startup. This is going to be interesting to watch them take off. Now there's a tall American or Australian. It looks like he's crewing. Let's see what country he's from. Hello, what country are you from? Germany. Germany, I'm Mike from Texas. Good luck. Yeah, you could be on YouTube. Germany. About 6'2". Very strong man too.
But he got thin now. I don't know if he's the one.
Okay, they've got 3 different classes here, I think, and yeah, this is the A class here, it looks like, and that's the C class here. So they just had a big explosion, big gunshot, and everybody's taking off. Look how fast those boats are going. Out there to watch them too. I feel so sad that I had to give up my business in Texas to move here to have to deal with all these sailboats and all this sun and fun, but I'll try to get by. and still keep bringing you guys good video. They've got the next set of boats. All the guys are ready. You see the crew's ready. And you're going to probably hear a big cannon shot. Kind of caught me off guard a minute ago when the first set. There they are. They're all ready. We've got 5- and 6-man crews on here. We got 5 on this boat. We got 6 on that other boat over there for some reason. Okay, the crews are manned and ready. Looks like they're all waiting for the start. And they're lined up all the way down and around. They've got this area cordoned off here. I could get in closer, but I don't want to. I don't need to. Probably waiting for the cannon start. The guys are ready, anxious to jump now. Always taking advantage. There you go. You're on video. They all ready for their photograph. There you go. Always room for photo ops here. Bye-bye. Alright, listen for the cannon shot. The crews are fixing to take off again. Here it goes. The cannon didn't go off. There it goes. My goodness. And there they go. This is the big class. Wow, look at the boats take off. Isn't that beautiful? They're going to give us a show here. That looks about 15 boats out there. I believe those boats can travel 30 to 40 kilometers an hour. They're fast. They're very, very fast. Very thin hulls on them. Light wood, thin hulls. Very thin plywood on them. Full sail area, trimer, and very little bit of water resistance on it. And they're lightweight boats. A couple of men can pick up the center hole and walk with it. If you can see them, but they've passed their turning point, way offshore now. Looks to be about 15 boats out there. And that's the C class, still ready to leave.